Hello, my name is Nikki Drake, and I'll be discussing how to use your Gmail account, specifically the left-hand side features including inbox, sent, and trash. For this, we'll start with inbox. Here is the inbox where you'll be able to see and access any emails that you've received. You'll be able to see who the sender is, the subject line of the email, or a brief description of what the email is about, as well as a brief summary of the body of the email. You can also select it to open the email in its entirety. So for instance, if I open this, you can see it's from the Penn Museum, sent Monday, March 20th at 12:44 p.m. And if you scroll down, you can see the information. So here I visited the museum and it was asking to complete a survey about how the visit went. If I click again at inbox here, it'll return back to my inbox of all my emails. If you go to sent, which is this paper airplane icon with sent, and you click on that, you'll be able to view any emails that you have previously sent. You'll be able to see who you sent the message to, the subject line of the email, as well as the body. It works the same way just like inbox, except these are the ones that you sent out. Inbox are the ones that you received. Next, we'll go over trash. For that, you'll have to click on this down arrow next to more, and then you'll see the trash can icon next to trash. Here you'll be able to view any emails that you've deleted. Right now, I don't have any emails in the trash, but we'll practice that right now. So if I navigate back to the inbox, again, that's this portfolio icon next to inbox. Click on that. And you can see here again all the emails. So for instance, say we wanted to delete that Penn Museum email from earlier. You would select this box and press the trash can icon. That will move it to the trash. And we can check our work by going back to the down arrow next to more and clicking on the trash icon. Now you'll see that the email is visible here. Say you accidentally deleted this email and you want to recover it so it returns back to the inbox. For that, you'll select again that checkbox, and then you click right here with this file folder with an arrow inside and it says Move To. If you click on that, you'll be able to move it back to what you want, the inbox. So if you select that, it will move it from the trash back into the inbox, and you can check that right here where it's the Penn Museum, thank you for visiting, how did it go? It's the same email. But say you actually did want to delete it. We can do that process again by checking the box, pressing the trash can, navigating back to the trash, and now you can simply select this again and say delete forever, and it will move it, or it will remove it completely from your trash can. So now it's completely gone. And as you can see here, it says messages that have been in the trash for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. So you can manually delete, but it will also clear on its own with time. Now, the last thing that we'll cover in this video is creating your own folders. So you can see I've already created some folders here on my own, but we'll do one as practice. The folders help organize your inbox so that it's easy to click on one of the folders to view only the emails that are pertinent to that subject. We'll do one as an example. Here, the law group, which is my apartment building, they send out some announcements about water shutoff and water being back. So say I wanted to organize these emails into one folder. What I can do is, right here next to labels, there's a plus sign, and I can create a new label. So we'll create a new label called the law group and press create. Once I do that, it not only notifies me here that the label was created, which I can close out of, but you'll see now that the law group now appears under this label. So now what I can do is check both of these boxes, just like we did to delete before, but instead we're going to press Move To, and we're going to scroll down and select the law group. Now it says 2 conversations have been moved to the law group. So now if I click the law group here, you can see that those two messages that I previously selected from the inbox have now been moved into this folder titled the Law Group. I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned for our next video with more information about email, specifically how to compose an email, reply to an email, and forward an email. Thank you.